Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Zoom account for video meetings and online collaboration, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us, the official Zoom website. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up, It's Free button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter your date of birth to verify that you meet the age requirements for creating a Zoom account. Step 4. Provide your work email address in the designated field. Zoom will send a verification email to this address. Step 5. Check your email inbox for the activation email from Zoom and click the Activate Account button in the email. Step 6. You'll be redirected to the Zoom website. Choose whether you're signing up on behalf of a school or organization or for personal use. Step 7. Fill in your personal information, including your first name, last name, and create a strong password for your account. Step 8. Optionally invite colleagues to join Zoom by entering their email addresses or skip this step to complete registration. Step 9. Your Zoom account is now active. Download the Zoom desktop client or mobile app. Sign in with your credentials and start scheduling or joining meetings immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.